Miss Hadel articulates that doubts concerning paternity emerged when their daughter exhibited physical differences compared to their other child. This discrepancy has fostered significant tension within their relationship, highlighting how perceptions of a child's likeness can deeply influence familial bonds. Conversely, Mr. Andrews conveys a profound sense of distrust, drawing links to allegations of Miss Hadel's infidelity. He cites explicit sexual text messages and a prior pregnancy involving another woman as purported evidence, underscoring the impact of past actions on present relationships. The couple's troubled history is further elaborated through accusations of cheating and a marked deficiency in communication. This lack of dialogue exacerbates the complexities surrounding their daughter's paternity, leading to a web of mistrust that permeates their interactions. In this context, the critical role of communication in relationships comes to the forefront. Misunderstandings, if left unaddressed, can escalate into significant conflicts regarding paternity and erode trust between partners. Hence, fostering clear and constructive dialogues becomes paramount to resolving such issues. The emotional ramifications of infidelity resonate through family dynamics, as past relationships and unresolved insecurities can severely affect contemporary parenting and the stability of relationships. Such layers of emotional complexity necessitate careful navigation by all involved. Moreover, the intricacies of co-parenting emerge as a critical theme, particularly when external relationships encroach upon familial structures. These complications often breed confusion for the children, requiring vigilant management from parents to mitigate adverse effects. The repercussions of parental disputes extend beyond the adults, deeply impacting children who frequently witness distressing confrontations. Prioritizing their emotional well-being should be of utmost concern for all parties involved, as a child's mental health is profoundly influenced by these dynamics. Court proceedings often unveil painful truths, yet they serve to reinforce the necessity for responsible parenting. A commitment to prioritizing children's needs can foster healthier family relationships, even amid tumultuous circumstances. The influence of fathers in their children's lives is undeniably significant, especially in modeling appropriate behaviors and norms. A father's conduct, therefore, can profoundly shape their daughter's understanding of relationships, emphasizing the need for positive role modeling. The phrase, practically a virgin, emerges within this discussion, raising pressing questions regarding its implications and legality in the context of prior sexual encounters. The courtroom's audience reacts with a mixture of disbelief and intrigue, reflecting the complexities of the narrative. Communication records between the involved parties illustrate a convoluted relationship, marked by accusations of obsession and attempts to reconnect. This reality underscores the emotional turmoil experienced by both individuals, revealing the stakes involved in their interactions. The inclusion of family members in this scenario highlights broader societal implications related to paternity and support. It draws attention to societal expectations and personal choices within parenting, reflecting the multifaceted nature of familial relationships. The stress accompanying pregnancy, particularly when compounded by complications such as miscarriages, can place considerable strain on relationships. Effective communication proves essential in navigating these emotional challenges, facilitating understanding and support. Active participation in family gatherings and medical appointments stands as integral for providing emotional support to the mother. The absence of a partner in these critical moments can exacerbate feelings of isolation and frustrate the dynamics of their relationship. Evolving relationship dynamics, notably post-childbirth, can yield significant misunderstandings. The emergence of new relationships may further complicate pre-existing issues, fostering emotional distance that can hinder effective co-parenting. The narrative emphasizes the necessity of being present in a child's life, as the engagement of both parents typically fosters a supportive environment. This involvement is crucial for a child's emotional development, reinforcing the importance of parental participation. The case serves as a poignant illustration of the emotional turmoil that can stem from paternity disputes, affecting not only the parents, but also the children involved. It accentuates the urgent need for clarity and accountability within parental roles. The dialogue probes into the themes of trust and betrayal within relationships, particularly illustrating how historical actions can complicate contemporary family dynamics and foster misunderstandings among parties. Mr. Pearson, the cousin, articulates his own uncertainties regarding his role as a father, thereby exposing the complexities surrounding Miss Gray's pregnancy and the timing of their encounters. This uncertainty exemplifies the intricate web of relationships at play. Doubt manifests as Mr. Pearson questions Miss Gray's sincerity regarding the identity of the child's father, which ultimately leads to the proposition of a DNA test. This suggestion underscores the pervasive mistrust that often accompanies such familial dilemmas. The situation intensifies as Mr. Pearson reveals that his actions were motivated by a desire for revenge against his cousin for past relationships, further complicating the emotional landscape and revealing deeper underlying grievances. Participants reflect on their previous intimacy, contemplating the significant implications their actions bear on their current family structure. Such reflections illuminate the myriad challenges young parents encounter within intimate relationships. There is a pronounced emphasis on the necessity for stable family environments, as children thrive in contexts where parents interact positively and constructively with one another. This stability is vital for fostering healthy emotional development in children. Finally, the discussion touches on the critical importance of paternal involvement. One party explicitly expresses a desire for their child to have an active and engaged father figure, reinforcing the recognition that such involvement is essential for nurturing a well-rounded upbringing.